First, let's remove the original frame and unplug the connector. Unscrew the 4 screws. Remove the original car radio and unplug the connector. Remember to remove the original CD player. Video and audio playback functions will be transferred to the new radio. Select the appropriate main power harness based on original radio type, and the included cables must be connected to the main power harness. Unscrew the 2 screws on the top of the glove box. Unscrew the 2 screws at the bottom of the glove compartment and remove the glove box. Disconnect the original plug and connect the original reverse camera adapter cable. Route the yellow RCA connector from inside the vehicle to the radio installation location. Finally, we will connect this wire to rear camera input cable of the new radio. For 2018 Silverado, with a factory 7-inch screen. To use the factory rearview camera, remember to use the included jumper to short the corresponding ports as shown in the diagram. Next, let's remove steering wheel, base and the trim panel beneath it. The package contains 2 socket adapter cables. Simply select one cable based on original connectors. Then disconnect the original plug and connect the socket adapter cable. Route the end wires through the vehicle's interior to the radio installation location. Connect the wiring harness included with the package to the new radio. Then connect the harness to the original plug or wiring harness. If your car with original bolts, an additional fiber optic box kit must be connected, otherwise there will be no sound. And finally install and secure the radio in the vehicle. Complete the installation.